Friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samila Khan 92. Today my video is about window AC filter cleaning. How to clean the filter of window AC because if it get more dust, the cooling will be affected. Now the summer season is coming. In the winter for heating and in the summer for cooling. So you must clean your AC filter. So first of all, what need to do, just close your AC and make sure switch off the unit from the power, and then I'll show you this is the filter is inside here. Let's see from where it will be open. It looks like here it's open like this. Oh, it's too much dusty, you can see more dust is inside. So how to remove this? Be careful to remove this, otherwise if one jerk will throw all the dust down. So I have mobile in one hand, so it's difficult for me. So just easily just remove like this. These are the clips, show you, and see, due to late opening this filter, you can see inside the dust also go inside the coil. See, so you must clean it timely. Do not get late on cleaning this. So this AC need complete servicing now before running in the summer season. So later I will see this, but now for now I will clean just the filter. So I am cleaning this filter now and then come back. So the filter is clean now, you can see, with water. Just wash it with the water or just remove the dust from this. Better to wash it with the water. Now with the same process we will install it back. Just hold it in these two locks, and the upper locks I'll show you, and just move it a bit like this and put it inside the lock. I didn't clean this for now, it's a late time. Next time I will wash this completely and then I will show you how service the window AC. So that's all about the filter cleaning. You must clean this filter. Just install back and just press it back like this, only lock, and then just switch on the button and then run your AC. Take care from the air because more dust will come after cleaning, because the air speed is more than before and your cooling efficiency will be better. Adjust the thermostat. See, the compressor starts now on cooling. The cool air will start now. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Samila Khan 92. Like, share and subscribe my channel.